If I lost everything tomorrow and had to make $10,000 a month as fast as humanly possible, this is exactly what I would do step by step. My name is Fred, and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit selling high-ticket consulting and services in my early 20s, and this, again, is exactly how it started over, even with $0 to my name. Here is what most people do when they want to make money online, and it makes me want to punch a wall every single time I see it. They go straight to dropshipping or Amazon FBA or affiliate marketing because some guru on Instagram told them it's easy money. Let me tell you something right now. Those business models are complete trash if you actually want to build a real wealth. Yeah, I said it. And before you come at me in the comments, let me explain exactly why these models will keep you stuck spinning your wheels forever while you're making pennies. First off, the profit margins are absolutely disgusting. We're talking 5 to 20% if you're lucky. Do you understand what that means? That means for every $100 you make in revenue, you're keeping $5 to $20 before taxes. The rest goes to product costs, shipping, ads, platform fees, and a million other things that eat away at your money, at your profit. And here's the kicker. You're dealing with customer service nightmares, refunds, shipping delays, supplier issues, and all kinds of other problems that will make you want to quit business forever. I know this because I tried dropshipping back in high school with a friend. We were so hyped up thinking we'd discovered the secret to getting rich. We launched our first Facebook ad ever, and boom, we made a $50 sale in the first 30 minutes only. We thought we had cracked the code somehow, and then we lost thousands of dollars because we had absolutely no clue what we were doing. The products took forever to ship. Customers were angry. The ads stopped working, we got banned in fact, and we were bleeding money left and right. It was what we call a complete disaster and a massive wake-up call. But here's what nobody tells you about these low-ticket business models. Even if you somehow figure it out and start making sales consistently, you're on a hamster wheel that never stops. So what do I mean by that? You need hundreds or thousands of customers every single month just to hit basic income goals. You're constantly dealing with problem customers, managing inventory or suppliers, and your profit margins are so thin that one bad month of ads can wipe you out entirely. This is not the path to $10,000 a month, sipping mojitos on the beach and having fun. This is the path to burnout and frustration. So what's the answer? Sell something expensive. I'm talking about high-ticket offers between at least $1,000 all the way to $10,000 or even more. And I know what you're thinking right now. Who's gonna pay me that much money? And that's exactly the broke mindset that's keeping you stuck, and it kept me stuck for a long time. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Let me show you the math and you will understand easily why this is the only way that makes sense. Let's say you're selling a product for $29. To make $10,000 a month, you need to sell 345 units every single month. Just think about that for a second. 345 separate customers have to find you, trust you, and buy from you every 30 days. That's over 11 sales every single day without missing a beat. And remember, with those low profit margins, you're probably gonna keep only 5 to 10% of that. So you actually need way more sales to pocket $10,000 in profit. It's literally extremely hard, if not impossible for most people. Now, let's look at selling something for $3,000 as a high ticket offer. To make $10,000, you only need 3 to 4 sales a month to be exact. 4 customers and you make $12K per month. That's it. You could make 1 sale a week or even less and you're there. Do you see how much easier that is? Instead of chasing hundreds of small transactions, you're focusing all your energy on getting a handful of high quality clients who actually value what you've got to offer. This is the difference between working yourself to death for pennies and building a real business that gives you freedom and fulfillment. Now, you're probably wondering, what the heck can I sell for $3,000 or more? And this is where most people get it completely wrong. Stop thinking about physical products like this cup of tea, for example. I'm talking about services, coaching, consulting, or digital products like online courses or even masterminds. This is where the real money is and where you can actually build something meaningful. Let me break down why this is so much better than selling physical products. First, on your side, the fulfillment is way more enjoyable. You're actually helping people to solve real painful problems in their lives or businesses. You're not just shipping them a random gadget they'll forget about in just a week. You're transforming their results, their income, their health, their relationships. Whatever your expertise is, that's fulfilling work that makes you want to get out of bed in the morning. I love helping people build online businesses from scratch. It's very fun. And when somebody gets to 10K per month or more, thanks to the advice I've given them, it's the most gratifying thing in the whole world. Second, it's way more fun because you're working directly with people, building relationships, and seeing real results. Third, and this is the big one, your profit margins are insane. We're talking 50 to 98%, depending on whether you're running paid ads and if you have a team or not. Compare that to the 5 to 20% you get with physical products, and it's not even close. When you sell a $3,000 coaching package, you're keeping most of that money. There's no inventory costs, no shipping fees, no product manufacturing. It's just your knowledge and expertise packaged into an offer that solves a specific problem. Think about it like this. If you're helping business owners to generate more leads, or you're helping people to lose weight, or you're teaching somebody a valuable skill, they won't pay you thousands of dollars if you can actually help them to get what they want. Because the value you're providing is worth way more than what they're paying you. A business owner who pays you $5,000 to help them generate an extra $20,000 a month is getting an incredible deal. They're not price shopping at this point. They're result shopping. So now you understand what to sell. Let me tell you exactly how to sell it. And this is the part that makes this whole thing actually achievable, even if you're starting from zero right now. You start by posting content on social media. You don't have to show your face if you don't want to, but I'm talking about YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, wherever your target audience hangs out. You create valuable content that demonstrates your expertise, builds trust, and attracts the right people. This is free marketing that compounds over time. Every piece of content you put out is working for you around the clock. And here's what's crazy. You don't need millions of followers to make this work. You need the right followers. You could have 5,000 engaged followers in your niche and make $10,000 a month easily if you're selling high-ticket offers. Once you've built up some momentum with organic content and you've made your first few sales, then you layer in paid advertising. This is when things really explode and you can make so much money, it's insane. Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, or whatever platform makes sense for your offer. Paid ads let you scale predictably and quickly. You know exactly how much you need to spend to acquire a customer, and you can control your growth, as long as you can do so profitably, of course. This combination of organic content, reaching out to leads, plus paid ads makes you unstoppable. This is how you go from 5 to 10K per month to $50,000 a month to $100,000 a month and beyond. Look, I've tried pretty much every online business model, and no other business model, online or offline, comes anywhere close to this in terms of profit potential and speed. Not dropshipping, not Amazon FBA, not crypto trading, not real estate wholesaling, nothing. When you're selling high-ticket services or digital products with high margins, and you're using content and ads to generate leads, you've got a money printing machine. The limiting factor becomes you and your ability to deliver results, not the business model itself. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Here's what this actually looks like in practice. Let's say you decide you're gonna help local businesses get more customers using social media marketing. That is your service. You package it up into a 3-month service for $3,000. You start posting content showing case studies, tips, results you've gotten, behind the scenes of your progress. You do this consistently for 30 to 60 days. You start getting people reaching out, asking how they can work with you. You hop on calls with them, you present your offer, you close a few clients. Now you're making money. You take some of that money and you put it into ads. The ads bring you more qualified leads, you close more clients, you invest more into the ads, you scale up. Within just a few months, you're doing $20,000, $30,000, $50,000 a month in revenue and keeping most of it as profit because your costs are so low. Even with a team and ads, you shouldn't drop below 65 to 50% profit. This is not theory. This is exactly what thousands of smart people are doing right now to build 6, 7, even 8-figure businesses. And the barrier to entry is lower than it's ever been. You don't need a fancy office, a huge team, or tons of startup capital. You need expertise in something people will pay for, the ability to communicate that value through content, reaching out to people, and the hustle to get on sales calls and close some deals. So if I were to start over today with nothing, here would be my exact game plan. First, I'd pick one thing I'm good at, or one problem I think I can solve better than most people. And if I don't have any ideas, I just pick something and start anywhere. I create a high ticket offer around that, somewhere between $2,000 and $5,000 to start. I post content every single day for 60 days straight, showing my expertise and attracting my ideal clients. And every single day, I reach out directly to potential customers, either my own leads or people who don't even know me yet. All of that on social media. I get qualified people on calls, people who could benefit from my offer, and I close my first couple customers. I focus on delivering incredible results and help for them, and I get their testimonials. And then I can use those testimonials on my website, in my content, even in my ads. And then I start running small ad campaigns to generate leads to book more calls. I scale up what's working, and within 90 to 120 days, I'm at $10,000 a month minimum, and it only goes up from there. That's it. This is how you actually build wealth online in 2026 and beyond. Everything else is a distraction that will keep you broke and frustrated. So stop messing around with garbage business models like dropshipping and go all in on this. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.